Hello mga ka-Francis, meron tayong turkey. Tapos, nag-top na ako ng cranberry sauce. Ito talagang gustong-gusto ko na food during Christmas Eve dito. So ngayon, we are eating as part of the Noche Buena. So ito yung cranberry sauce and yung turkey. Roasted turkey. Wow. Super sarap talaga as in. Super, super. Kahit wala ka ng kanin, ito na lang. Oh my gosh. Talaga. Ayan yung cranberry. Wow.
I can give you more later.
Parang ito yung lechon sa kanila dito. Turkey. Talagang sarap.
What?
Siyempre, para sa akin, mas masarap to kaysa sa lechon. Parang nasanay na ako during Christmas. Hindi kompleto pag walang roasted turkey. With the cranberry sauce, tapos merong pudding. Tawag ko pa dati, party. Party. Ayan no, skin ng turkey. Oh, kain tayo. Perfect ang ating rate.
Yes!
So, until our next food travel adventure.